dear children, welcome to Gurudeva online classes. I am here Jayashree to teach you mathematics. Yes, our first chapter is knowing our numbers. Is it really important to know about the numbers? Yes, in our daily life we deal with a lot of numbers from the time when we wake up until when we sleep. We always talk about numbers. For example, how old are you? You may say 12 years old. What is this 12? 12 is a number. Yes. How much marks did you score in your maths test? You may say 24 marks. Yes. What is this 24? 24 is again a number. Then what is the time now? The time is 3 o'clock. Yes. It is also one of the number. Yes. Let's get into our first concept, comparing numbers. Yes. What do you mean by comparing? Suppose your monthly test marks has given to you. What do? You go to your friend and ask their marks. Nothing but checking out whether he got high marks, lower marks, or both of you got equal marks. Here also we are comparing the two numbers, whether they are greater than, less than, or both are equal to each other. Yes, let's compare some more examples. Here, one of the example, 7, 8, 3, 5. We can read it as 7835. We know that number contains digits. In this number, how many digits are there? Yes, there are 4 digits. Similarly, for comparing, here there is another number, that is 838. In this number, how many digits are there? Yes, here there are 3 digits. Yes. Can you compare which is the greatest digit number? Yes. It's obviously 7835 is the greatest number. Why? Because this number having the more number of digits. So it is greatest number. We can say that 7835 is greater than 838. Like this, another one example. See here, 4635, 5364. Both of the numbers having the same number of digits, that is 4. Then in these cases, what do? So we have to observe the place values. Yes, put the place values here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Similarly, for the other number, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. Here we have to observe the highest place value. Here the highest place value is 4. In the other number, highest place value is 5. Then compare the digits 4 and 5. Which is the greatest digit? Yes, it's obviously 5364 is the greatest number. We can say that 4635 is less than 5364. Is it clear? Yes. Let's go to another one example. Observe the number 7763. Here 7637. Both of the number having 4 digits. And in the highest place value also there is a 7. In the highest place value also there is 7. Then what do we do in these cases? So we have to move on to the next place value. Here the next place value is 100, that is, and has 7. In the 100 place there is 6. Okay, which is greater? 7 is greater or 6 is greater? Yes, but observing these two places, 7 is the greatest digit. So 7763 is greater than 7637. Is it clear? Yes. Let's go to the next concept. How many numbers can you make? Suppose I have taken, there are 4 digits. 7, 8, 3, 5. Using these 4 digits, we want to make different 4-digit numbers in such a way that no digit is repeated. For example, 7835 is allowed, is correct. Okay. But 7735 is not allowed. Why? Because before I said that no digit is repeated. Okay. Then make as you can 4 different numbers. Then next, what is the greatest number? Can you get? The greatest number is 8753. Okay. The next smallest number. Which is the smallest number can you get? Yes, that is the 3573. Okay. Once you observe the greatest and smallest number. Here 8753 and 357. Sorry, 8. 7, 8. Okay. Once you observe the order of the numbers, it is the highest place value. In the highest place value, there is a greatest digit. In the lowest place value, there is a lowest digit. Then, in the smallest number, in the highest place value, there is a smallest digit. In the lowest place value, there is a greatest digit. I hope you can understand that. Yes. Then, other example, using these 3 digits, you have to make 4-digit greatest number and 4-digit smallest number. In this digits, you have to take any one of the digit as twice. Okay, let's make the numbers. Greatest number. Greatest number. First we have to write the place values ones, tens, 100 and 1000 because we want to make the 4-digit number. Observe here 6, 4, 7. In these 3 numbers, which is the greatest digit? Yes, 7 is the greatest digit. Which is the greatest digit? We have to repeat that digit twice. Yes, and 7 after the next digit is 6. Then 4. Similarly, the smallest number. Smallest number. So we have to write in the highest place value the smallest digit. In this smallest digit is 4. We have to repeat the 4 twice. 4460. 7 is the smallest 4-digit number. Yes, is it clear? Let's go to the next. Our next concept is stand in proper order. Yes, look at the picture. Here there are 4 children. In that Ramhari, Dolly, Mohan and Shashi. Yes. Can you observe them? Who is the tallest here? Yes, Ramhari is the tallest boy. Then, who is the shortest here? Yes, Dolly is the shortest girl. Yes. Can you arrange them in the increasing order? Yes. Dolly will come first. Mohan come next. Then Shashi. Then Ramhari. Yes. Similarly, you also try to arrange them in the decreasing order. Yes. Think of 5 more situations where you compare 3 or more quantities in your daily life. Yes. Let's go to the ascending order and descending order. Yes. Here ascending order means the arrangement from smallest to greatest. Okay. Then here some of the examples. We have to arrange them smaller to the greater ones. Yes. Let's arrange them. Ascending order. Yes. Which is the smallest number here? Is 571. Then after the 571, which is the greater? That is 847. Is 847 after which is the greater? That is 8320. At last the greatest number is 9754. Is like that examples. So our next one is descending order. It is the reverse process of ascending order. So in this descending order, we have to arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest number. So I will take the same example and I will write the descending order. Descending order. Take the same example in this. Which is the greatest number? Yes, obviously 9754 is the greatest number. Yes, 9754 is greater than 8320. Yes, then 8320 is greater than 847. Yes, 847 is greater than 571. Is it clear? Concept is shifting digits. Here I have taken one of the number, that is 795. So here I will shift from digits from one place to other. Then let's see what would happen here. Yes, I will shift. Here it is in the ones place, tens place and hundred place. I will shift the digits from one place to another. Here I will shift 5 to the 100 place, then 100 to the ones place. Okay, then see here. What will happen? 597. Okay, then next again I will shift tens place to 100 and 100 place to tens place. Then what will happen? 975. Can you see the difference between these three numbers? Yes, the original number is 795, but the former new one is 597 and the other one is 975. Are they equal? No. Why? Because the order of the places of the digits has been changed. So what is the reason? So why it is greater? 975 is greater. 595 is smaller than the 795. So observe here, when the smallest digit in these three numbers, the smallest digit is 5. It is at the lowest place. If it comes to the higher place value, it will be the smallest number. That is 597. In these three digits, 9 is the greatest. But it is in the tens place. If it comes to the 100 place, we will get the greater number. Yes, our next concept is large numbers. Before going to learn about the large numbers, once we recall the Indian place value chart. Yes, it is the Indian place value chart. In this place value chart, we can observe periods and places. So, in the Indian place value chart, there are the 4 periods. That is, ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. In that, there are the places. That is, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay. Yes. When we come across to the large numbers in different situations. For example, children in your class, it would be 2-digit numbers. Is it? Then next, it comes to children in our school. It would be 3 to 4-digit numbers. If we come to population in our state, it would be the 7 or 8-digit numbers, and also it is more than the numbers. Yes, let's observe the table. Here I have written some of the digits. Here up to 1 to 8 and the smallest and greatest. What is the 1-digit smallest number? 1-digit smallest number is 1. And the 1-digit greatest number is 9. If I add 1 to the greatest 1-digit number, what would we get? If I add 1, I will get 2-digit smallest number. Then for the greatest 2-digit number, greatest 2-digit digit number is 99. If I add 1 to the greatest 2-digit number, I will get 3-digit smallest number, that is 100. The next 3-digit greatest number is 999. For this 999, I will add 1. What would we get? We will get the 4-digit smallest number, that is 1000. Then what is the greatest 4-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. If I add 1 to this number, I will get 5-digit smallest number, that is 10,000. Is the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Then if I add 1 to that number, I will get the 6-digit smallest number. What is the 6-digit smallest number? Yes, that is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Similarly, 6-digit greatest number is 9,99,999. If I add 1 to this number, I will get 7-digit smallest number. What is the 7-digit smallest number? 10 lakh. 10 lakh. Then the 7-digit greatest number is 99 lakh 99,999. If I add 1 to the greatest 7-digit number, I will get the smallest 8-digit number, that is 1 crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Similarly, the 8-digit greatest number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Okay, is it clear? If I add 1 to the greatest 1-digit number, I will get the smallest 2-digit number. If I add 1 to the 2-digit greatest number, I will get 3-digit smallest number. Like this, I will get, if we add 1 to the greatest digit numbers, we will get the next smallest numbers. Okay, is it clear? Yes.
Remember, 100 is equals to 10 tens, 1000 is equals to 10 hundreds or 100 tens, 1 lakh is equals to 100 thousands or 1000 hundreds, 1 crore is equals to 100 lakhs or 10,000 thousands.
Yes, the next concept is an aid to reading, writing and expanding of large numbers. Yes. First, try to read these two numbers. Did you feel difficult? Yes. Some of the indicator helps to read and write the numbers. Which are those? Let's see here. That is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crores. Let's put these numbers in this place value chart. First number, I will take this number. In the ones place there is 3. In the tens place there is 0. In the 100 place there is 6. 1000 place 7. 10,000 place there is 5. And the lakh place there is 2. Can you read it now? Yes, it is in the lakhs place. We have to read it as 2,57,603. Okay, once again 2,57,603. Can you write the number name in words? Yes. The number name is once again inverse 2 lakh 57,000 57,600 3. Okay, then let's write this number in expanding form. Yes, in the expansion form, yes, once you observe, 2 is located in the lakhs place, that is 2 into lakhs, that is which is equals to 2 is in the lakhs place, 2 into 1 lakh, write in the numerals 1 lakh plus, then the next number is 5. 5 is located in the 10,000 place. 5 into 10,000, then plus, then the next digit 7. 7 is located in the 1000 place. 7 into 1000, then the next digit 6 plus 6 into 6 is located in the 100 place. 6 into 100, then the next digit is 0. 0 is in the tens place, then plus, there is 3, it is located in the ones place. 3 into 1, like this. Is it clear? Yes, let's move on to the next example, that is here. In the ones place there is 0. In the tens place 3. 100 place 4. 1000 place 8. 10,000 place 6. In the lakh place 0. 10 lakhs also 0. Then in the crore place there is 8. How can you read this number? If 8 crore, here there is a 0 in the lakhs place, no need to read that place. Then 8 lakh 68,430. Once again, 8 crore 68,430. Is it clear? Let's write in the number name. Number name is, once you read this, 8 is in the crore place, means 8 crores. Then there is no number, there is 0 in the lakhs place, no need to write that. Then next go to 1000 place, 68,000. 68,000. Then next 430. 430. Yes. Then write in the expansion form. Expansion form is expansion form. We have to write the digits with the places. Yes, 8 is located in the crore place. Then write it 8 into 1 crore. It is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. Then next, there is nothing in the lakhs place. Just keep it as 0 plus 0. It is 10 lakhs place is 0. Then the lakhs place is also 0. 0 into anything is 0. Then next, 1000 place there is 6. That is 6 into 10,000. thousands. Then plus 8 into thousands. Then plus next in the next place 4 in the hundred place. 4 into hundreds. Then next in the tens place there is 3. 3 into tens. Then 0 is in the one place. Then write it as 0. Is it clear? Our next concept is use of commas. We are using the commas in two different types. First one is in the international system, in the Indian system and also in the international system. So how we are using the commas? What is the use of these commas? If we keep the commas according to the Indian place value or international place value, it is easy to read the large numbers. Yes, for example, here there is an Indian place value chart. In the Indian place value chart, there are the 4 periods. So according to their 4 periods, we have to keep the comma. Here, ones place after the 3 digits means ones, tens, hundred. After we have to keep the comma. Then next for the thousand period, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore, 10 crore, comma. Similarly, in the international place value chart, here there are the 3 periods. In the each period there are 3 place values, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay, so let's see some more examples. Yes, here it's one of the examples. So according to the Indian system of numeration, we have to keep the comma. Yes, here according to the Indian system, we have to keep ones, tens, hundred. It is up to the ones period. So we have to keep the comma. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones period will complete. Then for the next period is 1000, 10,000. It will complete. Then next lakh, 10 lakh. Then crores. Okay. Similarly, ones, tens, hundred, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, comma. Here also ones, tens, hundred, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then crore. Now it is easy to read the numbers. Yes, read it now. 5 crore, 8 lakh, 1,592. Okay, then 3 crore, 32 lakh, 40,781. Similarly, 7 crore, 27 lakh, 5,062. Okay, then according to the international system of numeration, we have to keep the commas for every 3 digits. Okay, then ones, tens, hundred, comma, it's one place, ones period, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma. Okay, now read it as 50 million 801,592. Okay, then next ones, tens, hundred, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma. Then million, 10 million. Read it as 33,240,781. Then the next number ones, tens, hundred, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, then million, 10 million. Then 72,705,062. Is it clear? Yes. If you have any classification, once you see the place values and again put the commas and read it. Okay.